Hello everyone, my name is Srishal Phutane, lecturer in Mechanical Department, Jain Polytechnic, Belagavi. So let us start with the fourth unit, that is drilling and milling machines. These are the contents of drilling machine, that is introduction to drilling machine, working of radial drilling machine operations, twist drill geometry, jigs and fixtures. Let us see introduction of drilling machine. Drilling machine is basically a machine tool designed to form a hole, and it can perform number of similar operations. In this machine, holes can be drilled quickly at low cost. Here, hole is generated by rotating a cutting tool known as drill, which exerts vertically on the workpiece to form a hole. Now let us see the working of radial drilling machine. A simple sketch of radial drilling machine is as shown in the figure. It consists of base, which is rectangular casting. Okay. Further, it is connected to a column, which is circular casting fixed rigidly over the base. Okay, which can raised and lowered to hold the workpiece. And radial arm, here we can see a radial arm is mounted firmly on the column and has guideways for the horizontal movement. Here we can see the guideways for horizontal movement of the drill head. It can be lowered and raised with the help of motor. Here we can see a motor which can raise the radial arm or lower the radial arm. Okay. Drill head is mounted on radial arm which has spindle. Here we can see a spindle with a gearbox and a motor to get different speed. Here we can see motor. Okay. And then table is placed on the base, which is heavy casting of rectangular or circular shape. It consists of T-slot to clamp the job. The position of arm and drill is altered so that the drill spindle may move from one position to another position without disturbing the work setup. Okay, this was a brief explanation on working of radial drilling machine. Now let us start with drilling machine operations. Drilling machine operations are listed as drilling, boring, counterboring, countersinking, reaming and tapping. So let us see what is drilling. Drilling is a process of producing a cylindrical hole by removing a metal from the workpiece. Here we can see a simple sketch of drilling which consists of a drill tool and a workpiece. Okay. Before drilling, the center is produced by drawing two lines right angles to each other on the workpiece. Okay. Then by using punch, the indentation is produced. By using punch, the indentation is produced on the line. Okay. Then the rotating drill is pressed on the point to produce the hole. Okay. Now let us see boring. Boring is the operation to enlarge a hole by using single point cutting tool. Okay. Here we can see a single point cutting tool and a workpiece, and here is the previous drilled hole. Okay. It is also done to finish a hole accurately, to correct size and to correct out the roundness of hole. It is also used for machining internal surface of hole which is already produced during the casting. Now let us see counter boring. It is a operation of enlarging the end of hole cylindrically by using counterbore tool. Here is a counterbore tool. Okay, the enlarged hole forms square shoulder with the original hole. It is used to accumulate head of bolts, studs and pins. In countersinking, it has countersink tool. Here we can see a countersink tool and a workpiece which has previously drilled hole. Okay, well, countersinking is the operation of making cone shaped enlargement at the end of the tool. The standard countersink have 60 degree, 82 degree or 90 degree included angle, and the cutting edge of the tool are formed at the conical surfaces. So the next operation is reaming. Well, reaming is the operation of accurate sizing and finishing a hole which has been drilled already. The reaming tool has multiple cutting edges. Here we can see the tool has multiple cutting edges. Okay, for reaming, hole is drilled slightly undersized. In this process, the tool removes very small amount of metal. The next operation is tapping. Tapping is the operation of cutting internal threads using a cutting tool called tap. Here we can see tap has accurate thread as that of bolt. Here we can see threads. Here are the threads. Okay, it has cutting edges which are hardened. Then the tap is screwed in the hole to remove the metal and the cut required thread to fix external threads of the same size.